Assalamu alaikum and hello YouTube. Today we're going to unbox the H96 Max Android HD TV box. So stay tuned. Okay, today we're going to unbox this H96 Max Android TV HD TV box. और थोड़ा सा मैं बता दूं कि दिस इज़ एन उर्दू चैनल, ये उर्दू का चैनल है, मगर दिस इज़ अ रिव्यू प्रोडक्ट जो अभी रिव्यू प्रोडक्ट आया मेरे पास। तो मैं आज थोड़ी सी अंग्रेज़ी और उर्दू दोनों मिला के ही बोल रहा हूँ, अंग्रेज़ी ज़्यादा बोलनी पड़ेगी। So this is the Android TV box that you can use it. Most of people have LCDs, and but those are LCDs are not smart TVs, so they cannot see YouTube and they cannot see most of the 4K content on it. And sometimes the older TVs have only one USB port, and you need more ports to use anything else. One port may be used for power or something, but so for those kind of TVs, this kind of Android TV boxes are very good, and you can use these boxes to see YouTube and Netflix on it. So this item was ordered from a site which is named Banggood, and it's a online selling store like Alibaba and what do you call that, Amazon. It's a Chinese based online store. So they sent this thing to me for review, and this I'm going to tell you about. I'm going to leave the link of this where to order this box from. I'm going to leave the link in the description, and I'm also going to leave a coupon number over there. Usually this is around $54, but it's on sale now. It's about $34 something now. You can see that over there, and if that price has gone back to the 54 one, then I'll leave a coupon number in the description also. You can use that to get the what do you call it, discount. It's going to cost you only $34 plus shipping to any part of the world. But before the unboxing, I'll tell you about a little bit of the specs. So I'll just put this on the side over here, and you can see the specs on the side coming up. I'll tell you the specs like that. The chipset is RK3318 quad-core 64-bit Cortex-A53. The GPU is a pentacore Mali 450 up to 750 megahertz. The flash RAM is 64G. SD RAM is 4GB DDR3. The power supply is 2 amperes. The OS is the Android 9.0. The supported decoder format is 4K VP9 video decoders, MPEG 1080p, VP6, MPEG 124, media support, AVI, TS, VOB, MKV, MOV, ISO, MWVs. All the supports are, all the versions are supported. Music format is in MP3 and WMA. All those are supported also. It has a TFT card reader also. HD system is FAT. OSD language is English, French, German, Italian, and in multi other languages also. LAN Ethernet is 10x100, standard RJ45, wireless is Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5G both. Bluetooth is 4.0, which can also be used to support a mouse keyboard via USB or via Bluetooth. HD is in 2.0 for 4K 60 Hz, and 3D is for 3D video formats. The accessories are the power adapter, HD cable, user manual, and remote. And option you can get is supports mouse and keyboard via USB, which should be supporting 2.4 gigahertz, and the keyboard should be of 2.4 gigahertz also. So these were the specs. You can also pause and see the specs on the side that I've posted over here. So now we're going to start with the unboxing. Let's begin with the unboxing. So you can see the box from the outside is just a simple H96 Max Android TV box on the front. On the side there is made in China, and there's a serial number over here. The sides are totally normal. There's nothing over there. On this side it says made in China also. So we just begin with unboxing. Now when we open this up, there is the main Android box over here. It is kind of, we just put this on the side and we unbox other things in the box. Then we'll begin with the further unboxing of it, complete unboxing of it. When you pick this up, there is also some accessories over here. This is the power adapter for it. This is a 3-pin power adapter, and it's what's the power? I think it's 2 amperes. Yeah, it's 2 amperes. So this is the power adapter, and what else comes with it? A remote for the Android box that comes with it also. And what else do I have in the box? An HDMI cable. I think it's an HDMI. Yeah, it's an HDMI cable, and the user manual. So we'll put the box on the side for now. Sorry for the shaking. So these are things that come out of the box: a user manual, an adapter, and the main Android TV over here. So we put these things aside now for the moment, and we'll come towards the main box over here. This is the main power thing over. It's gonna be the main जो उसका क्या कहते हैं, main चीज़ ये होनी है. So I'll be talking in Urdu also, because my channel basically is Urdu. So I'm doing this as a review in English, but the main channel is in Urdu. So this is the review box over here, and you can see different ports over here. It's still packed. We can I think we should open like this. Okay, so it has different ports on it. This is the USB 2.0 port. This one is a USB 3.0 port. This is SD card slot. On the back there is an audio video jack. You have to get another what do you call it, cable to use this audio cable pin type jack over here. And these are for the TVs which only have audio video connections, not the other connections like HDMI. Then there's the HDMI port over here, and the Ethernet port here for your internet, and the power DC area port over here. There's nothing on this side and nothing on this side, and the front is just like this. There is another sticking over here, I think, but should we take it off or not? I don't know what that is. There's another sticking over here, so that you can take that off. I think you should keep it on, but okay, this is something to take it off from on the front. So this is the main box. ये मेन बॉक्स था इसका. मैं इसके आगे पोर्ट्स बता दिए आपको, थोड़े से उर्दू में बताया था कि ये AV का ऑडियो वीडियो पोर्ट है, ये HDMI का पोर्ट है, ईथरनेट है, यहाँ पे इंटरनेट लगा सकते हैं अपना, ये आपका DC पावर पोर्ट है, USB 3.0 है, USB 2.0 है, और TFT यानी पावर मेमोरी कार्ड डालने की जगह ताकि आप रिकॉर्डिंग वो भी कर सकें. बाकी चीज़ें उसके साथ आती हैं. The other things that are coming with this is the HDMI cable. It's a simple HDMI cable, HDMI to HDMI cable, about I think it's a meter long, maybe. And और क्या है साथ, यानी HDMI केबल है साथ एक, जैसे तो पावर अडेप्टर जो मैंने पहले दिखाया था वो था, और ये इसका रिमोट कंट्रोल है. द रिमोट कंट्रोल यूजेस, अभी इसको खोल लेते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द रिमोट कंट्रोल. ये मेरे ख्याल में लेट्स सी किस तरह की बैटरी यूज़ करता है ये. I think it uses AA batteries, no? No, it uses AAA 1.4 or 2 batteries needed for this. So this is the remote. So this is the unboxing of the thing, and now I'm gonna go on the TV and show you the setup. Okay, now we have come into my room over here. So this is the box. Let me put some batteries inside the remote control first. These are 2 AAA batteries that I've been putting in it. So the batteries are in. Let's see, the remote is okay, and I'm gonna connect the HDMI to my TV. My TV basically is what do you call it? It's a smart TV. So I usually don't need this thing for my TV, but I'm gonna plug it in to show you how it works. So this is I'm gonna plug it in into the power part now. So and this is, I think, is turning on. Yep, it's turning on. So let me do it like this, and let me connect the HDMI TV HDMI port. So this is my HDMI port. I'm going to connect the HDMI to the HDMI port over here. This is now connected. Let's see. I think you can see it properly now. I'm gonna come back to my TV first. So the HDMI, I'm gonna make the HDMI to, I think it's 3 over here. Okay, let's turn. Oh yeah. So the power is on, and now I'm gonna shift you to the TV part of it. Okay, now I've shifted it towards the TV, and I'm going to use the remote. You can see the remote. You can select YouTube over here if you want to, and try again. You have to get it connected first because you need your Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is built in, so you have to connect the Wi-Fi first. So let me do that. I'll go into settings and network and internet. So this is my Wi-Fi over here. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put my password in. So I'm going to stop it over here. Okay, so I put my password over here. I'm going to enter it, and let's see if it's connecting or not. जो password डाल के मैंने Wi-Fi से connect किया. हाँ, Wi-Fi से connect हो गया ये. Connection successfully लिखा आ रहा है. It's connected now. So we're going to go back. And we're going to go to YouTube. जो हम YouTube पे आ रहे हैं, we're going to come back to YouTube. Let's see कि जितनी देर में ये कनेक्ट होता है. ज़्यादा सी बात है, वाईफाई है और नई डिवाइस है तो थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा बीच में कनेक्ट होने में. तो वेलकम. अब हम यूज़र साइंड आउट, ठीक है ना. And चलिए हम क्या ढूंढते हैं. We're gonna find, let's see, we're gonna search for our channel on the YouTube. हम चैनल को देखेंगे. ये हमारा चैनल आ गया, और हम जो है फिर अपनी किसी वीडियो को चला जाते हैं. बोल के हम विल कम टूवर्ड्स अपना वो जो वीडियो है हमारी. ये सारी वो हैं जो मेरी सारी वीडियोस आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. यू कैन सी ऑल ऑफ माय वीडियोस दैट हैव बीन अपलोडेड ओवर हियर. So let's see, which video should we see first. I think we should connect it. We should completely go to my channel first. Docash over here. Then let's see, and we're gonna use still need some. This is a little bit of annoyance with this kind of click button remote controls, but you're gonna come to my channel eventually. Get the full name of it. RK3318, and we're gonna search that. So this is my channel again. We just go into my channel just like this. Oh God. So now we are into my channel now. You're gonna come down and go into my main channel. These are my uploads and saved playlist. The recent videos that I've done, these are all over here. So we're gonna go with the Galaxy Note 10 video. So we're gonna display this and let's see how the response is. So you can see that my video is going on. Let me just okay, let me just turn on the volume with the remote control that came with it. At the moment in the market there is iPhone Max. So this was my review of H96 Ultra HD video box. A few things I want to tell you that I think if you want to use Netflix on it, the basic pathway is Android 9. So you can download things from the Android store and you can apply that over here also. You can see Google Play is over there. But if you go over to the Google Play and you can download whatever you like Netflix, any kind of Android based streaming what do you call it, apps you can download from over here, and then you can look at these. One thing is that in Netflix is going to run only in SD, it will not run in HD. So I would advise you to read the link of the video before buying this. So thank you for liking my channel. Please subscribe to it. मेरा चैनल को लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. ये पहली दफ़ा कोई चीज़ मैं रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ, तो समथिंग गुड है ये मामला मेरे लिए. अपना बहुत ध्यान रखिएगा. शुक्रिया. खुदा हाफिज़.